All right, Maximus Analysis here for stock market analysis for April 17th, 2015. And we see we had a huge sell day today. Again, I would not be the first out the foxhole to try to buy this dip. 2080 was a significant number. And again, it's creeping up a little bit. And again, the turn time of about 230 really was good today. And you can see that basically capitulated in around that 215, 230 mark, and then it's closing. But again, you can see that this pattern is definitely I think there's still some legs to it, to the downside, quite honestly. And I would not be the first one to, again, you catching a falling knife is not, you don't buy right here. Again, retracement should be something clean and organized, and there haven't been that many. And we can look at where let's see where actually we are in time. So here is the first trading day of, or basically the first trading day right here. So we're barely up. I mean, if you look at this, look at this. We're barely right here. Yeah, right here is where the market opens. So we're right here. We're right at levels that, again, it held, but it's not up much. I mean, it's not much at all. So just got to be cautious with trying to buy something right here, right now. And you can see this NQ 67 points. This is stuff that you really don't want to kind of you guys work hard for your money at the end of the day, hard as hell. You work hard, you stack your money, unless you're like a trust fund baby, which a lot of us aren't, just trying to make some dollars from the market. Last thing you want to do is try to be a hero and saying, I'm buying something right now all in, because I think they're going to move it back up. Again, just look at the price action, see what's going on. We're down a significant amount coming from this type of price action when we crept, came up, crept right back in. Again, you could say, oh, it held this point, but again, look for a proper pullback, for Christ's sakes. Don't just try to buy anything saying that, listen, it's a pullback and I'm in. YM, again, we wanted to see this break up and move up, and it didn't. I mean, light volume yesterday. And again, if you took this, that's fine. You should be stopped out here being happy. Again, that you didn't, don't try to average in. Average in is the easiest way to really destroy your money. Bonds have moved up, so this is something that needs to be that this 129 pivot is holding. So bonds are moving up. Bonds moves up means that there might be some inverse relationship regarding the stock market, so we have to be cautious. IWM as well, people were talking about that one only being down. Again, this is a small cap. Okay, make sure you're looking at the S&P. Okay, so let's continue. Apple. Okay, Apple, we can see that again, this is breaking down. We have this stuff put up for a reason. Okay, the stuff is breaking down. If we see a retracement down, we will short. It's as simple as that. You had Baba's continuing to go down. Again, it's pretty much toast. You had some down component names that were really down big, which again, Gap and Go for American Express, and unfortunately Apple's a down name as well. So the bigger than ones that were down was also Goldman Sachs. Again, it's still an uptrend, so you can't say too much bad about that. You had the beat up names like Caterpillar, okay, nothing really bad. You got Microsoft again, nothing bad as well. They all rally, but again, they're all in confirmed downtrends, and this is why I keep stating that the trend is your friend. You have to make sure these things are going well. You have Google still beat up, still from this sell signal here, still down about 13 bucks. Yes, it rallied a little bit into the close, but you still have to look at what the overall market is doing. GoPro still in a downtrend again, and the volume is so light, I would just stay away from the name, quite honestly. Netflix, again, Netflix is the only one that's up. Maybe they're pushing this one up to not make it look so bad, but I'm not going to let this one name tell me. And quite honestly, I would say, listen, you should be probably, if you had a size on, you should have like 5% left. Don't be a greedy pig and get blown out because you just want to continue to say, I'm right. Tesla, again, same thing. It looks, again, Tesla could show something, a pop. If they have a pop on the indexes, this could be a nice name that could pop up. Potentially you have some support, which I said before, but the support is around this 205.33 area. So again, that's decent support actually. So if it, let's see if it has some legs behind it. And you also have Twitter again, that is, it's giving up some of the gains. Again, the buy signal was here, and if you were aggressive here, pop, and it never really moved that much. Again, if you, worst case scenario, you're stopped out here, and stops are your friend, only friend you have in this game. So continue to look and see what the price action is. Don't be a hero. Let's see how this one works itself out for next week, and go from there. Wait for the setup to come, and don't just put everything in, you know, puts either, because you just want to make sure that you're looking at stuff properly and looking at how the thing is going. Again, I'm all cash right now. I've been telling you guys I've been day trading crude, and again, if we look at crude, last but not least, it's been looking good. It's been looking good. Again, it gave a nice little pivot and looking good. Again, I don't know how much more juice they got left. They need to get over the 60 area, but again, it's some nice movement from the low. So again, they get above that. They, you know, I don't see any much. I honestly, the big number for me right now is probably they need to clear above the 69 level. So let's see how this one goes. But again, sitting on my hands regarding swings, taking day trades as they come with the futures. Take care.